How to post an assignment on Google Classroom. With Google Classroom, you, as a teacher, can quickly make assignments that include the attached materials. After you post the assignment, your students receive an email notification of the assignment, after which they can complete it and turn it back in. The cool thing is that after students turn in the assignment, they lose edit access for that assignment, which means they can't change it. You can then grade the assignment. Go to the Google Classroom app. Then select the class you wish to add the assignment. Now tap on Classwork. Tap on the plus sign from the bottom right. You can add assignments, questions, materials, and make a new section with topic. Tap on Assignment. Write the title and the description. You can set up a number of points that students receive for this assignment. Also, you can set up a due date. The student will have to submit the work before this date. You can also select a topic if you wish. After this, tap on All Students. Here, you can select what student you wish to assign the assignment. You can unselect all students and leave checked the person who you want this assignment to be assigned. After you have made your selection, tap on Done. You can also attach a file. Click on this button from the top. You can attach a file from Google Drive, a link, a file from your device, or take a photo or record a video. Let's create a PDF to show you an exciting option. You can also create a PDF. You can write on the PDF or draw. Just try to use the feature you have on the PDF generator to get used to it. Let's attach a file. If you go on the I button from the file we created, we have some interesting options. Students can view, edit, and make a copy for each student. If you do a test, you can make a student receive a copy of the test and write directly on the file. On the top, we have the Send button. Near that button, there are 3 dots. You will have the possibility to schedule this assignment or simply save it as a draft and publish it at another time. This is quite useful. Let's publish this assignment. You have posted an assignment on Google Classroom. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.